Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. Use 1 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup granulated sugar to retain moisture, and 1 cup, 2 sticks, butter at room temperature for tenderness. Add 2 teaspoons cornstarch and 1 teaspoon baking soda to encourage a soft, cakey crumb, while using 1/2 teaspoons salt to balance sweetness. Use 2 large eggs for structure and 1 teaspoon vanilla for flavor. Combine 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, gradually, to avoid overworking gluten and maintain a soft bite. Cream butter and sugars for 2 to 3 minutes until light and aerated. This traps air that creates tenderness. Add eggs one at a time and fold in dry ingredients gently. Cease mixing when flour streaks disappear to avoid gluten development. Chill dough 30 to 60 minutes to control spread and deepen flavor, or up to 24 to 48 hours for best taste. Portion dough into 1.5 tablespoon scoops about 3/4 inch thick. Bake at 350 degrees F for 8 to 12 minutes, until edges set but centers remain soft. After cooling, store cookies in an airtight container with a slice of bread or a damp paper towel to keep them soft for 2 to 4 days. The bread releases moisture and prevents staling. Reheat individual cookies 5 to 10 seconds in the microwave, or warm them 5 minutes at 300 degrees F in the oven to revive a soft center without drying edges. For long-term, freeze dough balls up to 3 months on a sheet, then transfer to a bag. Bake from frozen, adding 1 to 2 minutes to baking time for fresh, soft cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.